What's up, YouTube? You just got your new whip, and now you man, how can I pimp my ride? It's a Chevy Trax. You can't pimp no Chevy Trax. Maybe you can. Hey, I got a few tips where you can mod your Chevy Trax. Stay tuned for it, coming up right now. Alright, one of the first things you can do for your Trax is wash your car. Yeah, wash your car. The next thing you'll notice about the Chevy Trax is it's not a long car and it's not short either. It's kind of I guess the best way you could put it is kind of chubby. It's not tall, it's not long, it's not wide, but it's more on the chubby side, which makes it kind of difficult when you're coming up with a theme. And that's the next thing. You need to have a theme when you are trying to mod a vehicle. Okay, the theme I went for with this car was the red line from Chevy, which basically takes usually some stripes, some red stripes, and it puts it different places in the vehicle. I've carried this theme over to the emblem and also over onto the wheels as well. And if you're looking to really make your car stand out, one of the great things you can do is to customize your wheels. Either change them completely, spray paint them, plastic dip them, or even get them powder coated. Any of those things will make your car stand out, and if you do the right combination, you can have an awesome ride for not a lot of money. Alright, you can see right here with the stock rim, I've taken it and given a red accent to really make it pop, and you can really see the difference if you look at the two pictures. On the Chevy, I've taken a dual wheel and given a black accent to really make it stand out from what it used to be. It's not great, but it's better than it was before. On the Toyota, I've taken this dull dusty black and used some clever gold accents to make it look like it costs more than it really does. And you can do this with your tire as well. Excuse me, I mean your rim. And you can have some great results. You can powder coat your rim, you can spray it, or you can get it plastic dipped. Either one will give you excellent results if you do it right.
Hey, you. I need you to like and subscribe to my daddy's YouTube channel. Thanks and bye.
Hey, what's up? Yo, easy way to change some things on your car to pimp it is with the emblem. I chose a V8 emblem from a Toyota Sequoia. You can buy a custom one or you can make your own from letters at AutoZone. It's up to you. You can even customize more by spray painting them a different color or to match the body. Chevy has some great lines. If you're gonna pimp your Trax with some pimp stripes, it's a great car to do it with. Another thing is the door handles. You can paint your door handles, plastic dip them, replace them with aftermarket. I've even seen chrome ones before, and it adds a nice touch to your vehicle. Another option is LED headlights. That's right. Turn signals, brake lights. LEDs are great for that. And if you got the skills, take the bump off, paint it. Now mirrors, they can be used to accent your ride with solid colors, stripes, whatever works for you. Another option is window tint. That'll make your ride really stand out and look really good. And stickers, they can be used to add flair to your whip. And did I mention rims? Yeah, you gotta have some rims for your whip. Get that custom look to change and modify your vehicle. Buy you some rims. Spend some money, bro. Alright, YouTube. I just gave you a few mods you can do to your Chevy Trax. And remember, this applies to many vehicles as well. So you can use this for your Blazer, man, your Tesla, man, whatever you got. So please, do me a favor. Like and subscribe. Hit that bell for any notifications. And leave a comment. Tell me what I missed. Tell me some things I could do to improve my channel. And tell me, what do you want to see next? Oh, it's that time. Time for me to hit the guitar solo. Y'all ready? 1, 2, 3.